Hello, my name is Elvis Okozli. Over here, I'm just going to be talking and showing a brief tutorial on how to use getHost in PowerShell. So first off here, I have what is the getHost used for. The getHost command is used to get an object that represents the program that is hosting Windows PowerShell. So next we have who provides the host cmdlet. The Windows PowerShell core module provides the getHost cmdlet for PowerShell. And over here, these are some common these are some common parameters of the getHost cmdlet. The first I have here is debug. So debug displays programmer's level detail about the operation performed by the command. The next I have error action. Error action determines how the cmdlet responds to a non-terminating error from the command. Third, we have error variable. Error variable stores error message about the command in a specified variable. And the next we have here is out variable. Out variable stores output object from the command in specified variable and displays it at the command line. The next we have is out buffer. Out buffer determines the number of objects to accumulate in the buffer before an object are sent through the pipeline. Pipeline variable. Pipeline variable store the value of the current pipeline element as a variable for a named command as it flows through the pipeline. Variables. Variables displays detailed information about the operation performed by the command. Warning action. Warning action determines how the command responds to a warning from the command. Warning variable. Warning variable stores warning about the command in specified variable. So these are some common parameters of getHost cmdlet. Just an extra note here. I just want to inform you that you cannot pipe into a get command host. It wouldn't go through. Alright. So next up I have a couple of examples showing how the getHost can be used, and I'll explain the output of the command.